Today I'm going to present the test result of the two-person canoe, and it turned out to be pretty good. There are other areas which I can still improve, which I will talk about those at the end of the video. There are many people asking about how to build Gen 15 and 16. Since both boats are very similar, I'm going to combine the guidance in building these two boats into another series, which I'm going to release in the next few days. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up or even subscribe to my channel. This helps YouTube to promote my videos. Thanks. On Wednesday, the weather was very nice at the low 70s. I've forgotten the assembly steps and I have to redo. So the time here is just a reference. The overall assembly time for the boat should be less than 10 minutes. This canoe is held together by 3 lashings, one in the bow, one at the stern, and one in the middle of the boat. There are 2 cross beams, one in the front and one at the back. There are 2 seats and 2 inches thick floor to prevent the sides from collapsing towards the center. The boat by itself weighs 30 pounds. Then we dump the oars, water and other accessories into the boat. It should weigh around 40 pounds. It's good that my friend is around to help me to move the boat. When compared with other fiberglass boats, this one is very light and is easy to launch. But the first thing is I have to check if the fused joint leaks or not. Any sign of leakage? See, here, if I see leak, I see water coming in. So far so good. Okay.
So you tape on both sides?
Yeah. It fused it together and then I tape. Very stable. This time I can really test the pedal I made. It works very well for me. Push a lot of water and I don't feel any flexing. I placed a very thick padding on the seat so it is very comfortable to sit on, and also the boat is very fun to paddle. It seems to go pretty smooth and fast. With a single person, turning the boat is very easy and fast. I expect it maybe slower. Need to find out when we have 2 people on it. See how it goes. The basic design of this boat seems to track very well, and I will modify it to make it even track better, maybe slightly faster too. This boat has a lot of open space and can carry a lot of stuffs. We adjusted the seats and tried to make the boat to be even keeled. But once we get on board, we cannot see the draft, and we don't have another person to read the draft for us. So we try our best. My friend and I have never paddled together. Therefore, we have to learn how to work together. Besides, we are beginners in canoeing, so we both are learning how to paddle in a canoe. So we are heading straight forward. Pretty good. With 2 people on board, including the weight of this boat, the total displacement is around 360 pounds. And the draft in the front is about 2.5 inches, in the middle 2 inches, and the back is around 3 inches. So I can see we can carry a lot more weight or loading on this boat. Maybe another 150 pounds then the draft in the middle would be around 3.5 inch. With 2 people paddling, the boat seems to go very fast. Much better than if I were paddling by myself or in a kayak. My paddle is better, can push more water, and I will have to make 1 more paddle for my friend, so we can paddle more evenly. We were learning how to turn the boat faster, and so far it's okay. I will add some rockers in the front at the back so that it will turn much better next time when I try it again. With 2 people on it, the tracking is still very good. I really like it. This is actually very stable because it's wide. The floor in the middle part of the boat is very strong. It is made up of a 2-inch thick foam, wrapped it with a 4mm thick Coroplast. That's why I can stand on it. The boat is so stable. See, you can fish.
It has a wider base, so that helps.
And much better than the other one. I tried to rock it side by side aggressively, and I can feel a very strong riding moment. And I feel very comfortable to stand up without fear of falling into the water. So if you sit here, I'm more stable because you will bring the COG down. See if I can try to balance myself with 1 foot. And it is not easy because the boat moves.
Yeah!
No,
Okay, it's good enough. Oh, good enough. You did it.
not long enough.
It's on a foot off the ground.
Okay. The canoe is usable as is, but then there are a few areas which I can improve on, which I will discuss in my next video. Thanks for watching. Again, thanks for your support and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't done so, please do, so you will be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.